First thing I did was went out and bought some marine plywood. It's called Hydrotech. I got some 1/4 inch and some 1/8 inch and some 1.5 inch styrofoam. I'm going to build most of it out of the 1/8 inch plywood with the styrofoam, make a frame and fiberglass over that. For the bottom of the camper, I glued together some 1/8 and 1/4. Get a little bit thicker floor, and then I cut out the shapes to make the floor, and I epoxied that. It's the epoxy I used. It's a System 3 Cold Cure. There's the hardener. The other supplies: cups, sticks, squeegee, gloves, some epoxy putty, and then I'm going to paint over the top. This is just the bottom side, so it's no big deal. I'm just going to paint it white. I'm not going to put any cloth on the bottom or anything. It's just a basic marine paint. It's modified oil based. So that'll be the bottom, and then I'll start building on top of that.